Welcome to Maths with Paro. In this video, I shall be discussing a question from P2, January 2022, Pearson Edexcel International Advanced Level Examination. The question is question 1 and it's on trapezium rule. Let's have a look at this question in front of us. The first part, A, is to obtain an estimate for the integration using the trapezium rule. So in this case, what we do is we can name each of the boxes as y0, this can be y1, this can be y2, this is y3, and this is y4. Now, let's take a recap of the trapezium rule. We have found out that h is equal to, basically, if we say that A is 5 and B is 7, then H is going to be equal to, according to our rule, B minus A over N, where N is the number of strips. Now, we can see that A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 7, and the number of strips is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I can say that N is equal to 4. When we do the calculation, we find that this would be 7 minus 5 divided by 4. And so the answer is equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to 0.5. Now let's have a look at the trapezium rule itself. We want to substitute the values that we know for the trapezium rule. So what is the trapezium rule? We have h over 2. And what do? We're going to multiply it by y0 plus twice into all the y's in between. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus and then we close brackets, and then we have the y4 that just stands alone, and we now proceed with the calculation. Now h over 2 is 0.5 over 2, y0 is 6.792 plus 2 into y1 is 6.298 plus y2 is 5.858 plus y3 is 5.466 plus y4, which is 5.113. When we put all this information in our calculator, our answer is going to be 11.79. I hope you understand this. I shall now proceed to part B. Now, in part B, what they want to do is, the first question is to evaluate 2 to the power 6 minus root x. Now, let's have a look at the relationship between 2 to the power 6 minus root x and what is given, which is 2 to the power 5 minus root x. All right, here we go. If you look at this, we can rewrite 2 to the power 6 minus root x as 2 times 2 to the power 5 minus root x. Now, we already know our answer from part A as to what 2 to the power 5 minus root x is. That is equal to 11.79. So we're going to use that information here so that we have the answer as 2 into 11.79, which is 23.58. That is our answer for part B, section 1. Right. Let's see if we can find the answer for part B, section 2. Now, what do we have here? We want to find the integration of 3 plus 2 to the power 5 minus root of x. How do we do this in terms of the information that we've already calculated? We can first split it up into 3 plus the integration of 2 to the power 5 minus root x. Now we already know the answer for 2 to the power 5 minus root x. We have got it before, and the answer for that is 11.79. So all we have to do is, we have to now integrate 3. When we integrate 3, we get 3x. So we integrate 3x, and the limits are from 7 to 5. So here what do? 3 into 7 is 21, minus 3 into 5, which is 15, and that's 21 minus 15, which is 6, and we add that to the existing value that we have already found out, 11.79, to give us our answer of 17.79. I hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, goodbye for now.